What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another BNGO video. Now it's been a busy week for Bionano Genomics, and today I want to highlight and break down some of the most important developments that have taken place recently. First, let's talk a bit about Jason McCarthy. This is a Maxim analyst who cut BNGO's price target from $14 to $10. His reasoning behind this was a slight earnings miss by BNGO 2 months ago. However, he's recently come out saying that he's still bullish on Bionano Genomics and he still has a price target of $10 this year. In yesterday's latest update, McCarthy cites back-to-back peer-reviewed publications in the American Journal of Human Genetics, reviewing findings from the genomes of patients with inherited genetic disease and of those of hematological malignancies that together outline the utility of optical genome mapping as a superior alternative to traditional methods for structural variation analysis. Bionano's own press release describing the publications doesn't mention this point, but in McCarthy's report he highlights the fact that both papers that were published utilize data generated with the use of Bionano's Sapphire genomic optical mapping systems. As the analyst points out, each of the Radboud University Medical Center, Cochin Hospital in Paris, Hospices Civils in Lyon, and University Hospital of Clermont-Ferrand, whose scientists and clinicians contributed to the published studies, are notable Sapphire users. And these publications further argue that OGM Bionano Sapphire has the potential to become a primary analysis for most molecular cytogenetics applications and provides a complement to existing sequencing-based methods for a more comprehensive view of genome variation. So this is great news as it highlights the importance of optical genome mapping and the major role it's going to play in the future when it comes to SV detection. But wait, as if this isn't enough, BNGO is also gaining traction in Netherlands. Alexander Huijsen is a leading geneticist in Netherlands. He is an associate professor of genomics technologies and immunogenomics. His job is basically researching new techniques for usability in clinical research and possibly later in patient care. Huijsen has made some big statements regarding Sapphire recently. He talks about two major advantages of OGM. We can look at extremely long stretches of DNA, so there is fewer pieces needed to map the entire chromosome. It's faster and produces fewer errors. Furthermore, unlike the other techniques, we do not have to pre-process or manipulate the DNA, so we look at the real, natural DNA. In short, what you see is what you get. Bionano has created a label that attaches to a specific piece of DNA that occurs very often but irregularly. The ever-changing distances between the labels creates a unique barcode so researchers know exactly where they are situated in the DNA. This labeled DNA is pulled through thin nanochannels while a camera continuously takes pictures. He says, in this way we can automatically, objectively, and digitally record DNA at a rapid pace and at a resolution that is 10,000 times higher than in karyotyping. It's a kind of cytogenetics on steroids because of its power and speed. So there you have it guys, that's some really powerful stuff and should help boost your confidence in BNGO further. Now when it comes to BNGO's price action, well that's been a bit rough of late. We even fell below the $6 mark. However, it was great to see that we bounced back strongly and relatively quickly. And now we're trading close to $7 again. If you managed to buy on the dip, then congratulations. Buying BNGO anywhere under $6 is a steal in my opinion. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.